JTAI stock analysis and JTAI stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. I'm looking at Jet.AI stock, and 31.43% down is how much we've gone down. Now, before I get into it, context, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors. I've called out thousands of correct predictions up on my YouTube channel, which all of them have been documented. Looking at JTAI, this is like a decent retracement. You can see in my eyes, I was just willing to double down on this bullish market, even from a 5-minute chart, as long as I saw a double break. I saw a first break, and since that first break, the price just kept melting, you know. And with this in mind now, I have this demand, and in this case, unless the rules are met, I'm just not looking to buy, right? Like, it's ultimately that simple, but still, it was just like a bigger retracement, but it's still inside of demand, so no sweat, keeping you updated. I don't think this is gonna happen Friday, but definitely interested in for the next week. I mean, who knows, maybe Friday as well. It was like, again, a 5-minute chart, so it's definitely possible. See you in the next one, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.